This stall had the cutest and the most affordable stuff for garden. In this video, we look at everything home decor at the Dastakar Bazar, Bangalore. Dastakar Bazar comes to Bangalore once a year, and this time it's happening between 15th and 21st May. Today was the first day and the entry fee is 100 rupees per person. There are 4 to 5 stalls selling rugs, hand-woven ones, and they have some really large format ones and stunningly handmade ones. You can find embroidered tapestries, cushion covers in beautiful colors. Go with enough time at hand if you are looking to buy rugs, and they will be happy to assist you. I saw some really beautiful ones that I could definitely take home. There was also one stall that sold Uzbek Ikat, which was very exciting, and he has a range of Afghani handmade rugs that can last a lifetime and are collector's items. There is a lovely little stall selling basketry from Assam. They have laundry baskets, roti baskets, trays, table mats, and a whole range in baskets. I found a fruit basket that was really cute. Apart from this, there are other basket stalls. There are baskets from UP. There's a stall selling baskets from Odisha. A lot of variety to see and choose from. I mostly went to Dastakar previously for their pottery. The Jaipur blue pottery stall looked stunning. The wall plates are beautiful. They have some very new designs and newer concepts. The Khurja pottery stall had a very big range of coffee mugs. I think coffee mugs are the new rage now. They had platters in very beautiful shapes and colors. There was also a stall that was selling studio pottery that had some very interesting handmade pottery to choose from. A lot of customers here seem to be very fascinated with the hanging planters. The miniature painting stall had some very vintage paintings and very beautifully done. There was a Madhubani stall. There were 2 different Gond art stalls. I particularly loved the size of the paintings and the composition of this stall. There is a stall selling Kalighat paintings, but the highlight for me was this Kalighat painting on trays. There's a stall selling driftwood sculptures from Uttarakhand. I see him almost every year. The wood is collected from Ganga and then he carves the details on them. And it is simple and beautiful. This is a stall selling tea, and I thought the colors were stunning. Dastakar focuses mostly on a lot of handmade and Indian handicraft products. That's why people like me wait all year to visit Dastakar to see what new is to offer. This was my second favorite store. It is terracotta from, I think, Gujarat or so. I'm not too sure, but the little things were very beautiful, very affordable, and perfect little trinkets for the garden or your balcony. I love things when they are made of mother of pearl, and I think there are about 2 or 3 stalls selling mother of pearl home decor. There was one stall which had side tables with legs made of horn, and the tops are made of mother of pearl. The Shola flower guy from West Bengal also comes every year, but this time somehow he did not have a big range. But the flowers, however, are very beautiful, and they almost look like natural flowers. This was my most favorite stall. It is a hand block from UP. All of this is carved from sesame wood with hand. A lot of blocks that you see on the market these days are not fully hand carved, but this one is definitely hand carved, and the details of each block was out of the world. I regret not buying this. You can see why I spent so much time in this stall admiring almost every single block that I could find. Dastakar also has a lot of apparel if you love apparel, but I have zero interest, so here I'm only speaking home decor. This is another stall that we see every year. It's the wood carving, and this year he's there with all of the popular carvings that you see in magazines and stores. There's a stall selling Tolu Bommalu, and she has some vintage leather puppetry. If you want to visit Dastakar, make sure that you're going on a weekday, because weekends it's going to be a mad rush. Today was a fairly busy day and a cloudy day too. There's a little stall selling Kashmiri hand painted things. He has kettles, wall hangings, and some bit of paper mache. And all of those colors just make you stop at this stall and just stare. You will need at least 2 hours to look through the stalls and see what you like and buy what you want. So plan your trip accordingly. I hope you like this video.